to wake up in a mansion with chandeliers and marble flows. Flying a jet, go spend 80K on my neck. Can't open up Ferrari doors, can't settle for less. Young nigga that earned my respect. Now what you gon' do to get chose? I got off my ass and got on my way.
What's up, people of YouTube? I'm back, even though you didn't ask for me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get cracking on this SLR kit a little bit today. And go probably put the shifter in too. Right now I'm headed to Harbor Freight to pick up some snap ring pliers so I can do my shifter and some Loctite and anti-seize. So I'll see you at the shop soon. Had to run the nap quick. Got hooks and snap ring pliers from Harbor Freight, but they didn't carry any anti-seize. Alright, get cleaned up a little bit here. And start putting all this shit and it together. Would you just look at that? Just look at it. Alright, so I got these on the knuckles, just kind of loose. Got anti-seize on them all. I got this side back in. I'll take this tie rod off. Next step is throwing the control arms on. Get them in a second. Get hardware here. Now, if I'm correct, this should go up through like this. Bolt into the top of the cradle up there. And it should sandwich the control arm through here. Alright, so we put the stud through the control arm. Get a little anti-seize on there. Alright, let's throw it on the car. Alright, after struggling a little bit, I got the control arm somewhat mounted up there, a little loose. Now we're gonna try and put the knuckle on. Oh. Well, one side of the kit's on for today. Still no camber plates yet, but probably gonna have to do some adjustments, make all this fit. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Just straight across there. That's terrible. I don't know how Sage even gets this car in here. Right in here. Usually there's not 3 trailers like that, but it doesn't make much of a difference here. Well, I got everything on. Passenger side coilover needs dropped probably like 2 inches to be able to clear like this one does now. This one could probably even be dropped more. But damn. That's wild. Sorry I haven't filmed much of the install. Just kind of been working and forgetting to film. But this stuff is beautiful. Alright, keep buttoning stuff up. Alright, this coilover is a little too seized to adjust today, so I'm gonna have to leave where it's at. But this is pretty. I guess here for the next video, I'll come back, get my ride height settled, try and give this thing an eyeball alignment, maybe do some test hits. We'll get a radiator all plumbed up and make sure our fan's still working, and get a test, and hopefully be ready to hit some events. Still need to throw that thing in. If anybody needs some 18-inch tires, hit up me or Sage. Got that whole stack in the back ready to go. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I'm super excited on this. Really ready to just get those camber plates in too, but are what it are for now. Alright, I'll see you guys later.